Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report, sponsored by Delta Dot Exchange. Today, it's a very good trading day. Gap up, that gap up sustained. I think today, after a very long time, the Nifty range, that is from intraday high to intraday low, that range is less than 100 points. And usually it is 150, 200 points. And today, just gap up open, then throughout the day, it was just consolidating. So that is number one. Number two, State Bank of India, after a good results, it has shot up about 7-8%. And because of that, PSU Bank Index has shot up more than 3%. So no need to say, Bank Nifty has closed at a fresh all-time high. Now it is inching towards 61,000. This is the second observation. The third one, despite, the Nifty making a small move, less than 100-point move, and the volatility index has moved higher. And not only that, in the last 10-15 minutes, even the far away options like 25,000, 24,900, they are like shooting up. And 50%, 60%. So why? Because for the last few trading sessions, either there is a big gap up or there is a big gap down. So the people who bought options, far out of the money options, have made some money. Say for example, yesterday, Nifty was trading closer to 25,500. If anybody has bought 26,000 or 26,200 call, today morning they have made money. So because of that expectation, the far out of the money options prices are increasing. And it was a super crazy. I don't think that Nifty can fall more than 800 points or 900 points tomorrow. Because even on a budget day with the STT disappointment, Nifty did not fall more than 800 points on a close to close basis. But for tomorrow, 900, 1000 point away, 7 rupees, 8 rupees option premiums. So this is a super crazy premium. That's why the volatility index has actually moved higher. So that means people are expecting, some kind of a gap up or gap down tomorrow. But looking at, the setup, I don't think so. Why? First thing is that Nifty closed very close to 25,900. Today morning I told you, if Nifty closes above 25,900 on a closing basis, so Nifty becomes long. But now Nifty has closed slightly below that. And second thing, European markets are not very much positive. Even the US futures, there is some slight profit booking happening in US markets. Right. But sometimes, option premiums are running crazy. And then the last one, and today FII data, they were net buyers for 2,500 crores. And in fact, domestic institutions, they bought very little. So for second straight day, FIIs were net buyers for a significant amount. And many times, I always say operation success, passion, date, sometimes these technical levels, 25,905, that's the exact place. If Nifty closes above this, the Nifty become technically long. But sometimes, Nifty close very close to that and then next day gap up 100, 150 point. Then, you can't go long. Right? So, however, as I told you today morning, far out of the money put options you can sell. So that is a strategy. So overall today, it's a fantastic market, I would say. A stable expiry. Intraday players, whoever did short straddle, 25,900 or 25,850 or 25,800, they made very good profits. And today morning, 25,800 was trading around 80-90 rupees. It has closed about 45-50 rupees. In fact, at some point of time, it was 40 rupees. but the last minute volatility, right? So it's a very, very good trading session. So we are very close to that. So if you can remember, I told you 25,500 to 26,000 should be the range. And with a technically long setup, if Nifty closes about 25,900, and then the probability of market breaking out is higher than the probability of market breaking down. So everything looks okay. So as long as the global cues are good, there is nothing very bad. Our market, likely to take out 26,000 sooner than later. So anyway, we have 11 more trading sessions for this February series, and then hope that February series itself, Nifty goes to the next box, 26,000 to 26,500. So that is the expectation right now. So otherwise, pathetic thing is the IT stocks. Nasdaq recovered 4% on Friday in US. Despite that, IT stocks are not even able to move even 1% higher today. In fact, I think TCS was trying to recover, but Infosys was in negative, I think, today. So who knows, when the IT stocks recover, then the Nifty can take out all-time high easily. Now, IT index itself is about 30-35% lower. So even half of that is recovered, and the Nifty can go easily to 26,500 or 27,000 in the next few months. So with a great stability coming into the market, so people dare to take positions. I think people have sold 25,800 put option and 26,000 call option. So the combined premium at the closing time is only about 75 rupees. So that indicates that tomorrow Nifty range will be 25,700 to 26,100. So that should be the range. So the rest of the things we will discuss tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.